All right, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you guys are doing wonderful. So, I would like to speak to you about the planet Mercury. So, what exactly is Mercury? Mercury is the planet of business. Mercury is the planet of communication. Mercury is the planet of speaking ability. And Mercury is the planet of creativity, knowledge, logical thinking, and also intellectual thinking. You will start thinking intellectually rather than emotionally if at all you have a positive Mercury. And Mercury represents the business acumen in your life. So most importantly, most of the people like to do business. For first and foremost thing that we need to check in their horoscope is all about Mercury. Mercury is a neutral planet. He is basically friend for Sun. At the same time, he is friend for Saturn as well. That is what you need to notify. So he is friendly with the benefic planets. He is friendly with the malefic planets as well. In fact, Mercury is the greatest friend for Venus, and Mercury goes okay with Rahu as well. Okay, so this is very unique planet in the zodiac system. And Mercury rules over Virgo and Gemini, and most importantly, Mercury gets exalted in Virgo zodiac sign. If at all you have Virgo Mercury, we don't need to see your birth chart. Without any doubt, you will become a very good business magnet. The reason being, Mercury plays a major role in your life if Mercury gets exalted. And Mercury goes well in Libra zodiac sign as well as in Taurus zodiac sign. Mercury goes well in the Capricorn as well as Aquarius zodiac sign. But Mercury doesn't go well in Scorpio and Aries. And Mercury doesn't go well in Sagittarius and Pisces zodiac sign. And Mercury doesn't go well in Cancer zodiac sign as well. Okay, because Mercury is not friendly with Moon. Mercury is not friendly with Jupiter. Mercury is not friendly with Ketu as well. Okay, and Mercury is not friendly with Mars as well. So that is the reason I have told certain zodiac signs which are favorable, certain zodiac signs which are not favorable. Okay, and in order to test about your business acumen, if at all, how much you can able to really make very good in the business, it's not just a Mercury. Mercury is just one part of your astrological principle. There are so many things which I'll be checking in your birth chart to come into conclusion whether you can able to make very good money through businesses. And also I can able to help you which are the businesses suitable for you to get good money. And also I can able to tell you which are the professions you can able to excel well in your life. And also of course depends on your passion as well, but most importantly, planetary alignment in your birth chart will tell you a purpose of your life. In fact, more 95% whatever it is mentioned in the birth chart, that is what you will be doing in your life as well. That is what your thought process will be going through across. And Mercury is the karaka for land and property issues as well. Mars is also karaka for landed gains and property issues. And first rank I'll be giving is Mars for landed gains, and Mercury I'll be giving the second rank. Most importantly, this planet talks about your business, okay, and how the business transactions has to be, and what kind of people you'll be interacting on day-to-day basis. All those things can also be checked from the birth chart. What kind of customers you'll be doing, and where from the customers will be coming, and whether you'll be doing the partnership business or you'll be doing the sole proprietorship business. All those things can be revealed from the secrets of Vedic astrology. There are very rare astrologers who can actually check completely in your birth chart. So whenever clients come for the consultation for me, at least I'll devote 1 day to 2 days, whether you believe me or not. I devote nearly 1 to 2 days, and then I'll be preparing the birth chart, because that much of care and attention I'll be taking on my clients, because they believes and they comes for the consultation for me. I have to give my 100% in providing the very good service for them. And if at all, even you can check on my website, there are so many testimonials that my clients has provided, very good testimonials, and I have clients from all over the globe. All right, so do watch other videos on Mercury in this YouTube channel, because I've spoke a lot about Mercury. There are so many conjunctions I spoke about the characteristics of Mercury. There are a lot of videos on Mercury, please do watch. And most importantly, Mercury signifies your speaking ability as well. The people who have debilitated Mercury, and for the people whose Mercury is being conjunct with Mars or with Ketu, so they don't have control on their speech. They will be just speaking whatever it comes to their mind. It's all because of planetary alignment and afflictions. Okay, because of afflictions, their mindset has become like that, and the way they talk is like that. And most importantly, Mercury goes well in the second house, and Mercury goes well in the fifth house, seventh house, ninth house, 10th and 11th houses, of course. And Mercury doesn't go well in the sixth house and 12th house and in the third house. Okay, Mercury brings little bit of friction in these houses. All right. So thank you so much for watching this video, and do mention whatever you have learned in the comment section so that other people can also follow whatever you are writing, and so that I know that you are following my videos. And most importantly, if at all you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon next to subscribe button, so that way you will be notified with other videos. And if at all you need my consultations, I'm always there to help you guys, and please book for the consultation. The link is mentioned in the description section, and once I get an order, I'll be providing you the complete analysis with regards to your birth chart. All right, and thank you and have a nice day.